Hello kids, how are you all? Good. Today we are going to learn A, B, C and 1, 2, 3 together. So let's start paint, okay? Yellow color. A. A. A for apple. A for apple. Yellow color A. Green. Green. B. Green color B. B for ball. B for ball. C. Blue color. Blue color. C for cat. C for cat. Blue color C. Red color. Red color. D. D for dog. D for dog. Red color D. Next is E. Wow, black color. Black color E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Black color E. F. F. Yellow color F. Yellow color F. F for fish. F for fish. F for fish. Next is G. Green color. Green color. G for goat. G for goat. G. Green color G. Green color G. H. H. Blue color. Blue color H. H for horse. H for horse. I. Red color I. I for igloo. I for igloo. Red color I. I for igloo. J. J. Black color. Black color J. Black color J. J for jug. J for jug. J for jug. Next again is yellow color. Yellow color K. Yellow color K. K for kite. K for kite. Kite. Okay, yellow color kite. Now next is L. L. Green color. L. L for lion. L for lion. Green color L. Hooray! Next is M. M. Blue color M. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. Monkey. Okay. Now next is N. N. Red color N. Red color N. N for nose. N for nose. N. Nose. nose. Okay, N, red color N. Next is O, O, black color O, black color O, 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 orange, O, O, orange. So this is black color O. Next is P, P, yellow color P, 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 P for parrot, P for parrot. Q, Q, green color Q, Q for quilt, Q for quilt, Q, Q, quilt, Q, Q, quilt, Q for quilt. Next is R, R, blue color R, R for rainbow, R for rainbow, R for rainbow. O, O, sorry, S, S, S for Spider-Man, S for Spider-Man, S for Spider-Man. Yes, S, S, red color S, red color S. Next is T, T, T for tiger, T for tiger, black color T. Wow, black color T. Next is U, 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 yellow color U, U, U for umbrella, U for umbrella, U for umbrella, umbrella. Next is V, V, van, green color V, green color V, van, van. Next is W, W, blue color W, blue color W, watch, watch, blue color W, watch. Next is X, X, red color X, red color X, X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Yay! Now Y, Y for yellow, Y for yellow, yay, yellow, Y for yellow, yellow, Y for yellow, yellow, Y for yellow, and Z for zebra, green Z, green Z. That's all. Yay! We have finished painting our ABC. Now let's color our numbers. Hooray! Now let's color our numbers. Number one, we will start with yellow. One. Yay! One. Two with green. Two. Number two with green. Yay! Two with green color. Two with green color. Yay! Two with green color. Next is three with blue color. Three Yay. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Yay. 3. Blue color 3. Yes, blue color 3. Blue color 3. Okay. Next comes 4. 4. Red color 4. 4. Yay. 4. Number 4. Number 4. 4. Red color 4. Hooray. Red color 4. Red color 4. Next is black. Black color 5. Black color 5. Black color 5. Excellent. Black color 5. Next again is with yellow. 6. 6. Yellow color 6. Yellow color 6. Yellow color 6. Wow, 6. Excellent. Now 7. 7. Green color 7. Wow, Z is also of green. Look, B and Z. Wow, all are green. Yay. Green color 7. Green color 7. Nice. Isn't it looking nice? Yes, babies? Yes. Now comes blue. Blue color 8. Blue color 8. Blue color 8. Wow, isn't it looking nice? Yes. Blue color 8. Now next is red one. Yay. 9. 9 color red. 9 color red. 9. 9 is of red color. Yay. Very nice. 9. Now next is 10. Black color 10. Black color 10. Black color 10.